Kicks off with Naked and Afraid at 8, followed by Naked and Afraid Solo at 9 on Discovery.
If it's a street race, we won't.
I'm out.
Hit me anywhere. Give me any road.
Not going to get straight up to the surface of my pocket.
With Parker missing in the flood, the film crew used every resource they have to try to locate him.
Any sign of him yet, Robert?
No, I can't see him.
Yeah, I think we're just about out of range. That's about as far as I can go. I can't see anything. But come back sideways along there.
Is it ready to go, this vehicle? Well, John Carroll looking at who jumped in. So, we've gone 500 metres along the trail. Still can't find him. He's got a bright red jacket on, so we can see him easy enough. But, so he must be at least, well, he must be further than 500 metres in front of us, or taking a wrong turn.
I see how Pro starts working instantly. With 2 back-turn pain relievers. So you can rise from pain like Pro. Icy hot Pro.
What's your favorite part of the Kit Kat bar? The chocolate?
Nope. The inside.
The wafers?
No, the stuff in between the wafers.
Oh, the in-between stuff.
Have a break. Have a Kit Kat. And try a bigger bite with Big Cat.
What is this place?
The other side of the rest stop.
If you're looking for a first mate, I know a guy. Me.
Is this Oak?
You could save a ton with Progressive by bundling your boat or RV with your home and auto.
Hey guys! Free bags!
On the $3 craze have arrived at Sonic. All you need is a crisp $3 bill. We made our own Sonic on the $3 craze.
Sonic. With Allegra, allergies don't hold us back. Allegra starts working 2 times faster than Claritin. And unlike Zyrtec, it won't make us drowsy. Allegra gives you the fastest, non-drowsy 24-hour allergy relief. You can live your greatness.
Find it, try it, paint it, love it. Find it, try it, paint it, love it. Find it, try it, paint it, love it, love it, love it, love it.
92% still active, but it's just a bite. Wait, that's not a bite. And that thing counts your reps?
Yep, every last one.
92% stick with it. So start a 30-day home trial today. Terms apply.
Metro has unlimited 5G for just $25.
And a free Samsung Galaxy 5G. It's perfect.
You're perfect. I love you. Oh.
Get a free 5G phone now at Metro.